Part of what actually strengthens intimacy is the experience of recreating intimacy after it's lost. That is part of what actually builds intimacy over time. It's like exercising a muscle. You break down the tissue and it regrows stronger. That doesn't mean you should go throw a grenade in the middle of your emotional and relational connection. It will happen naturally. So another way to say that would be that intimacy untested is intimacy immature. What matures our intimacy over time is that it has been tested, that we have gone through the cycle of rupture and repair, and rupture and repair, and rupture and repair, and rupture and repair, such that when we experience a rupture, we don't react off the charts. Why? Because we know by experience it's cool. As a couple, we know how to repair a rupture. It's that process of rupture and repair, of seeking and finding and then losing and then seeking proximity once again. So I'm seeking proximity, I find it, I lose it, I seek it and find it again. That is what builds confidence in our intimacy. Here's what this means. Practical takeaway. Don't run from or smooth over your ruptures, your lack of connection, your lack of intimacy. Point it out, name it, and work toward rebuilding it. I know I need to exercise. All right. My wife's on. I think my mom's on this webinar. Y'all, I know I need to exercise. The problem is the way I want to experience exercise versus the way I'm going to experience exercise the first 30 something times I do it, if I do those in close proximity to each other, are very different. The way you want to experience intimacy versus the way you will at first, very different. But you have to start somewhere. And you have to point it out, and then you have to seek the repair and stumble your way through it and reach for each other and somehow grab each other in the midst of it and hold on. And then the next time you're going to be a little better at the grabbing, at the reaching and the taking hold of each other. And before you know it, there will be a confidence in your intimacy such that even the experience of rupture isn't a crisis anymore. Doesn't that sound nice?